A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 3 on differential equation topic. Basically, in this lecture, we'll be doing differential equation where variable separable is not possible. So, when variable separable is not possible, you see in that we can apply substitution method. And in few examples yesterday, we seen simple substitution. Now, in this lecture, when simple substitution is not possible, then we can think over homogeneous differential equation. In such cases, we have to put y is equal to Vx. So let us begin lecture number 3 on differential equation topic. What is homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation of the type dy by dx is equal to fxy upon gxy, where fxy and gxy are homogeneous functions having same degree. Having same degree. In such cases, put y is equal to Vx. So let us start problems based on this. X sin y by x dy dy is equal to y sin y by x minus x dx. Therefore, dy by dx y sin y by x minus x upon x sin y by x. So dy by dx is what? This x divided y upon x sin y upon x minus 1 divided by sin y upon x, equation number 1. Put y is equal to Vx. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes V plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x is V sine V minus 1 upon sine V. Therefore, V plus x dv by dx, V minus 1 upon sine V. V will get cancelled. X dv by dx minus 1 upon sine V. Therefore, sine V dv is equal to minus dx upon x. On integrating, we get integral sine V dv, or you can bring minus on this side, is equal to integral dx upon x plus c minus cos V, and only minus is there. Cos y by x log x plus c is a required general solution of given differential equation. Question number 2 is x square minus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Therefore, x square minus y square upon 2xy is equal to dy by dx. That is, dy by dx is what? See, degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2, whereas degree of delta is also 2. So degree of each term in numerator is same as degree of each term in denominator, and that is 2. Such differential equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square minus v square x square upon 2x square v. Therefore, v plus x square common 1 minus v square upon 2v. Transfer v on that side. Therefore, x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square upon 2v minus v. X dv by dx 1 minus v square minus 2v square upon 2v. X dv by dx 1 minus 3v square upon 2v. So 2v upon 1 minus 3v square dv is equal to dx upon x. We will multiply divide both the side by 3. So 6v upon 1 minus 3v square dv is equal to 3 dx upon x. On integrating we get integral minus 6v upon 3 integral dx upon x plus c1. Numerators what? Derivative of denominator upon 1 minus 3v square dv. 3 integral dx upon x plus c1 minus log 1 minus 3 log x plus log c. Therefore, log of 1 minus 3v square raised to minus 1 is equal to log cx cube. Therefore, 1 minus 3v square raised to minus 1 cx cube 1 upon 1 minus 3v square cx cube. V is what? Y by x. Y cube by y square by x square. LCM will go up. X cube x square will get cancelled, so 1 is equal to cx into x square minus 3y square. is required general solution. Question number 3. One plus 2 e raised to x by y plus 2 e raised to x by y minus 1 minus x by y. 2 e raised to x by y see, whenever it is x by y, then we will convert into dx by dy. 1 plus 2 e raised to x by y into dx by dy plus 2 e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y divided by this. So dx by dy plus लेक्चर में नहीं भाग लेगी और शाम को 5 बजे तक नहीं देगा। ठीक है, 5 बजे तक आइए। ओके, so dx by dy plus 2 e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y upon 1 plus 2 e raised to x by y is equal to 0. This is right equation number 1. Put v is equal to x upon y. So x is what? Vy. Differentiating with respect to y, we get dx by dy v plus y into dv by dy. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dy plus 2 e raised to v into 1 minus v upon 1 plus 2 e raised to v is equal to 0. Therefore, x dv by dy plus 2 e raised to v minus v 2v e raised to v upon 1 plus v, take LCM, x dv by dy plus 2 e raised to v minus 2v e raised to v plus v plus 2v e raised to v upon 1 plus 2 e raised to v is equal to 0. X dv by dy plus v plus 2 e raised to v upon 1 plus 2 e raised to v is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus 2 e raised to v upon v plus 2 e raised to v dv plus y dv by dy. Sorry. So dy upon y on integrating we get integral 1 plus 2 e raised to v upon v plus 2 e raised to v dv plus integral dy upon y is equal to C1. Numerator is what? d by dv of v plus 2 e raised to v upon plus integral dy upon y. This is log v plus 2 e raised to v plus log y is equal to log c. C1 is equal to log c is constant. Therefore, log y into v plus 2 e raised to v is equal to log c. Therefore, Vy plus 2y e raised to v log c, that is c. Vy is what? X plus 2y e raised to x by y is required general solution. Question number 4 is y square dx plus xy plus x square dy is equal to 0. Therefore, y square upon xy plus x square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. That is dy by dx plus y square upon xy plus is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes V plus x dv by dx plus v square x square upon x square v plus x dv by dx plus x square common will get cancelled, so v square upon v plus 1 plus v is equal to 0. Therefore, x dv by dx plus 2v square plus v upon v plus 1. Therefore, v plus 1 upon 2v square plus v dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Now in denominator we can take v common. So you get 2v plus 1 plus on integrating we get, the numerator can be written as 2v plus 1 minus v upon v into 2v plus 1 dv plus integral dx upon x is equal to c1. Now this is separate. Will give you what? Integral 1 upon v minus 1 upon 2v plus 1 dv plus integral dx upon x is equal to c1. Log v minus log 2v plus 1 divided by 2 plus log c log x is equal to c1. Multiply through it by 2. So 2 log v minus log 2v plus 1 plus 2 log x is equal to 2c1. So log of v square x square upon 2v plus 1 log c c1 is log c. 2c1 is lost. Therefore, v square x square upon 2v plus 1 is equal to c. V square x square is what? Y square is equal to c into 2 times y by x plus 1. Replace y by x as what? V. V is equal to y by x. X LCM will come here. X y square is equal to c into x plus 2y. Is general solution of given differential equation. Fifth is x square minus y square dx. Plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus y square upon 2xy plus that is dy by dx plus is homogeneous differential equation. So put y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x. V plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx plus x square minus v square x square upon 2x square v. X dv by dx plus v square x square common cancel. 1 minus v square upon 2v plus v is equal to 0. Therefore, x dv by dx plus 1 plus v square upon 2v is equal to 0. Therefore, 2v upon 1 plus v square dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. On integrating, we get integral 2v upon 1 plus v square dv plus integral dx upon x is equal to c1. Numerator is what? Derivative of denominator. Log 1 plus v square plus log x is equal to log c. C1 is equal to log c is constant. So log of x into 1 plus v square is equal to log c. Therefore, x into 1 plus y square upon x square one x will get cancelled and remaining x you multiply right side. Required general solution. Sixth is dy by dx plus x minus 2y upon 2x minus y is equal to 0. Is homogeneous differential equation. For y is equal to vx, differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx plus x minus 2vx upon 2x minus 1 minus 2v upon 2 minus v plus v LCM will give you 1 minus 2v plus 2v. Therefore, x dv by dx plus 1 minus v square upon 2 minus v. Therefore, 2 minus v upon 1 minus v square dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Now separate it. On integrating we get 2 upon 1 minus v square minus separate integral 1 upon 2a log of 1 plus v upon plus derivative of denominator is there in numerator. So log of 1 minus v square plus log x. We can write this as C1 only. Two will get cancelled. Multiply 4 by 2. So 2 log 1 plus v upon 1 minus v plus log 1 minus v square plus 2 log x 2c1. One plus v upon 1 minus v square into 1 minus v square into x square log c. 2c1 is equal to log c. One plus v square, and this will give you 1 plus v into 1 minus v, 1 plus v cube, and 1 minus v will get cancelled. Cube x square divided by 1 minus v is equal to c. 1 minus v cross multiply so x square into 1 plus y by x cube is equal to c into 1 minus y by x. X plus y cube divided by x, because x cube and x square will get cancelled. C into x minus y by x. X will get cancelled, so I'll get x plus y cube is equal to c into is required general solution. Question number 7. X dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0. divided by x. Put y by x is equal to v. So y is what? Vx. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx minus v plus sin v is equal to 0. Therefore, dv upon sin v plus dx upon x on integrating we get cosec v dv plus integral dx upon x is equal to c1 log of 10 v by 2 plus log x log c. X tan v by 2 x tan eighth one 1 plus e raised to x by y dx plus e raised to x by y into 1 minus xy. One plus x by y into को रन करते। Therefore, dx by dy plus e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y upon 1 plus put v is equal to x is vy. Differentiating with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y dv by dy plus e raised to v minus v e raised to v therefore y dv by dy plus e raised to v plus v plus v raised to v upon 1 plus e raised to v. V raised to v will get cancelled. V plus one plus e raised to v upon v plus e raised to v dv plus dy upon y is equal to 0. On integrating, we get numerator is what? Derivative of log of v plus e raised to v plus log y log c. Therefore, vy plus y square minus x square dy by dx. xy dy by dx. Is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v square minus v x dv by dx is what? Minus v upon 1 plus v. On integrating, we get v is what? X dy plus 2y dx. dy upon to find particular solution when x is to y is 1. Two square into 1, c is 4. Is homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. So equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx. X square plus v x square plus v square x square upon x square common will get cancelled. So v plus x dv by dx. 1 plus v square. V will get cancelled. So x dv by dx. 1 plus v square. So dv upon on integrating we get integral dv upon v dv upon 1 plus v square. is equal to integral dx upon x plus c. Tan inverse v is equal to log x plus c. Tan inverse y by x log x plus c is required general solution. X square plus 3xy plus y square upon x square. This I had transferred, then x square I had divided on this side. Is homogeneous differential equation. So put y is equal to vx. Therefore dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Therefore equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus 3x square v plus v square x square upon v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 3v plus v square. 3v minus v will give you got 2v. So x dv by dx 1 plus 2v plus x dv by dx is what? V plus 1 the whole square. So dv upon v plus 1 the whole square dx upon x. On integrating we get integral v plus 1 raised to minus 2 minus 1 upon v plus 1. 1 upon y by x C13 x square dy by dx xy dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. And y0 is what? Y1 is what? 0. So dy by dx is what? Now degree of each term in numerator and denominator is what? 2. Therefore it is what? Homogeneous differential equation. Is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. So equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus 2v square x square upon x square v. 1 plus 2v square upon v minus v. 1 plus v square upon v. V upon 1 plus multiply both the side by 2. So 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to 2 integral dx upon x. On integrating we get numerator is what? Derivative of denominator upon 1 plus v square. Therefore log 1 plus v square 2 log x plus log c. C1 is equal to log c is constant. Therefore log 1 plus v square is equal to log of cx square. 1 plus v square is what? Cx square. X square plus y square is equal to c x raised to 4. Is general solution to find particular solution if y1 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 0 implies x1, y0. Substituting in above general solution. 1 plus 0 C into 1. Substituting C is equal to 1 in above general solution. We get x square plus y square is equal to x raised to 4 is required particular solution. Nine x plus 5y dy plus 15x plus 11y dx. Therefore, dy by dx plus 15x plus 11y upon 9x is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x plus 15x plus 11vx upon 9x plus 5vx. X dv by dx plus x common will get cancelled. So 15 plus 11v upon 9 plus 5v plus v is equal to 0. X dv by dx plus 15 plus 11v plus 9v plus 5v square upon 9 plus 5v is equal to 0. X dv by dx plus 15 plus 20v 5v square plus 20v plus 15 5v plus 9. We can take 5 common. So x dv by dx plus 5 common. V square plus 4v plus 3 divided by 5v plus 9. So 5v divided by 5v plus 9 divided by v square plus 4v plus 3 dv plus 5 dx upon x is equal to 0. On integrating 5v plus 9, the factors of v square plus 4v plus 3 are v plus 3 into v plus 1, v plus 3 into v plus 1 plus 5 dx upon x is equal to C1. Now denominator will adjust in numerator. For v minus plus w plus 9 4 divided by 2 minus 3 7 plus 9 minus 6 divided by minus 23. 3 times v plus 1 plus 2 times v plus 3 upon v plus 3 into v plus 1. 3v plus 3, 2v. 5v plus 3 plus 6, 9. Plus 5 separated 3 1 upon v plus 1 plus 2 1 upon v plus 3 this is 3 log v plus 1 plus 2 log v plus 3 plus 5 log x is equal to log c. C1 is equal to log c. So log of v plus 1 cube v plus 3 square into x raised to 5 v plus 1 cube v plus 3 cube square. V is what? Y by x. Y by x plus 1 cube y by x plus 3 square into x raised to 5 is equal to c. X plus y cube upon x cube into 3x plus y square upon x raised to 5 will get cancelled, so x plus y cube into 3x plus y square c is required general solution. Fifteenth is x square plus y square dx. To xy dy. Therefore, to xy dy is equal to is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is what? V plus h dv by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus is equal to x square plus Therefore, therefore, log of 1 minus b square raised to minus 1. Therefore, y square by x square x square LCM will go 1x will get cancelled. X is equal to c into is required general solution. Thank you very much. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. जहां हो वहीं से शुरू करो. जो भी तुम्हारे पास है उसी से शुरू करो और जो भी तुम चाहते हो वही शुरू करो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.